So yeah, these are some of the under construction area. Is this Koshi? No idea, man. This will be Koshi. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, man, we traveled 9 hours. So yeah, this is the way towards Bardibas, and we have just crossed Bhiman, and just after crossing Bhiman there is this bridge like structure. It shows Chatara is 49 kilometers, Gaighat is 102 kilometers, and Chatara is 158 kilometers, and Dharan is 176 kilometers. So let's go from here. We are still cruising in this highway, and this highway seems a bit less traffic. Nice road. There are some spots still in under construction, but other than that we found a nice way, man. Yeah, you can easily cruise around 90 here. Is 165 kilometers from here, if you can hear me. Hello once again. I had my lunch at this hotel, Chahana Hotel. Good lunch actually. Cost me like 250 Nepalese rupees, and it is opposite of this petrol pump. 44 kilometers from the Bhiman bridge, and it is 132. Let's say 134 is the calculation, and we have traveled 185 kilometers so far from Dhulikhel, and yeah, still continuing our journey from here. This road is pretty good, very low traffic. You can easily cruise around 80-90 kilometers per hour. So far we have traveled 46 kilometers in about 30 minutes, I think. So Chatara is, Dharan is 135 kilometers from here. There's still a lot to go, man. We'll not be traveling towards Dharan, but yeah, Bardibas is still far ahead of Dharan. Yeah, after traveling 194 kilometers, we traveled 10 kilometers in 5 minutes, man. We came to this place. There are houses over there. I think this is Gaighat or something. So it's Dharan from left, Gaighat from left, and Nepal Tower from left. There are a lot of places with Nepal Tower. Gaighat जाने यतैबाट हैन? Gaighat. हस्. हस्. Yeah, I need to take left from here for Gaighat. Oh yeah, these are some of the, under construction area. So far we have come across 5 or 6 off-road like this in middle of the highway. Yeah, coming to this, off-road, it seems completely different road, man. And eventually the tarmac starts. And we will cruise around 80-90 again. So yeah, it took 30 minutes to travel 31, yeah, like 31 kilometers. Okay, from here Dharan is 100 kilometers. Hello my friends, once again. We have traveled 234 kilometers so far, and it is 2:29 p.m. and I'm kinda confused if we should go to Bardibas or travel via Dharan. Pretty much confused. I need to ask some locals around here about the road condition. Dharan is like now 80 kilometers from here. And yeah, there is off-road, landslides, such things from the way of Dharan. So that is why I'm a bit confused if we need to travel through Bardibas or Dharan. Dharan, of course, is the shortest way. I think in about 3:30 or 4 p.m. we can reach Dharan, and from there it might take us like 1.5 hours to reach Gaighat or so. Yeah, I think we need to go towards Dharan. Let's see. Let's ask about the road condition. Rice fields, rice fields. We are very near to the Gaighat. I think 2 kilometers. This looks like the starting area of Gaighat. We have traveled 248 kilometers. I think Dharan is like 75 kilometers from here. Let's see. Beltar is 24 kilometers. Dharan is 75. Yeah, exactly 75 kilometers from here. Yeah, we are at Gaighat. I'm expecting huge bazaar of Gaighat, but Gaighat seems to have tiny, small bazaar, man. Yeah, I think bazaar area starts from here. I want to have juice, man. Where is juice, man? Murali Sweets. Yeah, I need to take rest as well. There are no designated, fruit shop. Dharan is straight from here. I don't know where this, secondary roads leads to. Maybe the inner city of Gaighat. I want to have coke in bit shelter and could not find the shelter place. Yeah, Gaighat is huge bazaar, man. Not tiny beanie, huge one. So we are at this Beltar, and I think Dharan is still 40 kilometers to go. So far we have traveled 273 kilometers and it is 3:27. Okay, Dharan is 50 kilometers. Dhankuta is 97 kilometers. Khatbar is 228. Kakar Bhitta is 163. Okay, so we need to go 50 kilometers from here. Yo, man, we have traveled 295 kilometers and we have reached this bazaar area once again. So far we have traveled like 42 minutes from the Gaighat. And where are we currently? This is called auto, and auto are available to Dharan from here, so we shall be very near to Dharan. Let me see, where are we? I mean, Rampur Bazaar. We are at Rampur Bazaar. Rampur Bazaar. Yeah, we will not be going towards Ilam, but we heading towards the Dharan. Whatever the road condition is, Dharan it is. From Dharan we will be heading towards Fikal. My ass is killing, man. I think 25 or so kilometers is left for Dharan. Maybe I can get my juice at Dharan. Yeah, we have traveled exactly 306 kilometers, and this looks like some sort of river. Is this Koshi? No idea, man. This will be Koshi. Not the whole Koshi, but yeah, some part of Koshi. Yeah, I will take some rest here. Maybe have a coke. Koshi pool. Yeah, this is Koshi. That is Dharane Kala Bangur. Bangur means yeah, pig. Nepal famous. This is Nepal famous. Koshi. Koshi is quite small around here, man. Yeah, it is 4:14 p.m. and I have came to know that we can reach Dharan in about 30 minutes from here. So I think today our journey will be till Beretar. First I need to confirm the road condition. Yeah, just saw the milestone saying Chatara 0 kilometer. So far we have traveled 311 kilometers from Dhulikhel, and we started our journey at 7 a.m. Now it is 4:20. To be precise, we started our journey around 7:15, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, man, we traveled 9 hours. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, 9 hours, man. And we still haven't reached Dharan. We are at this place called Chatara. So we have arrived at this Chatara junction, and from here we need to take left for Dharan. Oh man, I think this road is straight will lead us to the Dharan. Is this off-road? Come on, man. Don't be off-road. I don't have energy for off-road, man. This looks like Koshi Jhadi. If Google Map and my guess is correct, this must be Koshi Jhadi. Koshi Jhadi is the dense forest area of Nepal. Oh, this is some sort of river, man. Yeah, I think we need to go straight. My shoes is safe. That was the most frustrating thing to keep safe, and there is another one. So safe, so be safe. There is again another one. Oh man, this is slippery. Yeah, so he's safe. Yep, again. I think this is a small. And again. I think this is finally over. And my shoe just got wet a little bit, but manageable. We have made it to the Dharan. Actually, I can see some houses. Tarmac. Yeah, I think we have made it to the Dharan.